Alright, what's up guys? Sweet Loop Productions here today. So we got part 2 of the Ratty PC build. Graphics card, motherboard, power supply, CD drive, stick of RAM, 8 gigs. So yeah, we're gonna put this together today. This is about as clean as I could really get the motherboard, and it was clean enough for my liking. Power supply came pretty clean already, and the graphics card was pretty clean, but sadly I didn't have screws small enough to fit, or if not screws, a Phillip head, screwdriver, whatever, to fit to get this off, so I could clean the fans more. So I ended up just replacing the thermal paste and doing all that. But yeah, let's get started. And if you guys didn't already see, I went with a thermal take case, Snow Edition. I don't know exactly what model it is, but it's a pretty common case. You see them quite often. So yeah, I'm gonna catch back up with you guys in just a second, and we're gonna start building. Alright, so let's begin. So first thing we need to do is obviously put the motherboard in. But before we put the motherboard in, we need to put this in. So let's get started with that. Once that's in, the motherboard comes next. Make sure you put these in if you need to, but my case has these self-mounted ones that are already basically here in the case. Alright, so we got that all done. The motherboard is in there. And now, to do the Corsair AX760i power supply to get this in. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, the power supply, we're just going to take all the cables and bend them up. And just for now, tuck them in there like this to get them out of the way. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get this power, not this power supply, but this CD drive to complete the front of the case. Just going to slide it in there. Then go on the side. Alright. Next, I'm going to take the RAM and I'm going to put it in the motherboard. And it's snapped in place perfectly. And then next I'm going to take the graphics card and slap it in there too. I'm just gonna turn it on just to make sure everything's good to go before I actually turn the mold kind of finish touching everything. And there she is. $50 Ratty PC build in her glory. Now that she's all put together, I'm going to finish plugging in all of these things, and then I'm going to catch up back with you guys once I have the Windows ready to go and plugging it in to a computer monitor. So catch you guys then. Alright, so here's the computer for all the cable management. It's not completely done, but it's basically done. The SATA cable, I don't know if it works, so I had to use this one, so it's kind of out. But yeah, you can see it's pretty clean. Everything's basically mapped around the back. And here we go. We're gonna start this bad boy up. There you guys go. Boot up Windows 10 nice and quick. It's a bit of a loud computer, but hey, it was $50 with the case and everything inside of it. So alright, thanks for watching, guys.